Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back. So today is a Sunday and I decided to go to this new coffee place that I found recently on TikTok that's really popular. I've been wanting to go there ever since I'm done with my IELTS exam, but I did not get the chance to until now. So today we'll be going to explore that cafe, and tomorrow we'll be going to get my IELTS certificate, and we'll also go to another cafe and we'll also unbox our New Jeans album. I got a Hayrin beach bag version. So today we'll go and explore this other cafe. It's called CU Cafe. I heard it's really popular recently in Hanoi. So we're gonna go there. So yeah. Also, I'll be bringing some accessories with me later for taking pictures. These cute heart gems. I'll be sticking it on my cheek and then I'll be posing so it'll look cuter in pictures. I also brought my baby Melody with me as a prop just in case I wanted to take a picture with it. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I'm gonna go home since I'm Hey guys, I'm currently done with my makeup, so right now I'll be getting breakfast and then I'll go and get my IELTS certificate. And then afterwards we'll go to a cafe to unbox our New Jeans album, and yeah, see you guys then. Hey guys, I just got my IELTS results. Right now I'll be heading to J Cafe, so let's go. Hey guys, right now I'll be unboxing the New Jeans album. This is Hayrin's version, I think. Let's unbox it. Let me get my unboxing knife. Give me a second. Small thumbnail, let's unbox it. like really pretty because I saw like a few unboxing videos already, but today I'll be unboxing this myself. Really cute. Also, blue is my favorite color, in case you guys don't know. So it's inside. So guys, really cute. It's like light blue. It's like hard plastic. So this is the box that I think has all the goods inside. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox that. I love it. Oh, well, the thing that we look forward to most is the photo cards, right? Look at this photo card back, guys. It's so freaking nice. Let's see what's inside. It's so cute. Oh my god, guys. The card's so cute. It says heron on the back. So cute. She's so pretty in this one. So pretty. No, because Karen rarely smiles, and when she smiles, oh my god. And last but not least, my favorite photo card. She looks so pretty in this one, guys. So pretty. Let me show you guys my other photo cards I got. I am a certified heron fangirl, guys. Look at the back card, it's really pretty too. So that was the photo cards. Now we're gonna move on to look at the photo book. This is the CD. The cover. Oh my god, the art design is so pretty. Guys. The CD is so freaking pretty. What the hell? Oh my god. You see this? Like, it's generally so pretty. What the heck? Postcards that we got. Ooh. Okay. Trees of the skies. So cool. Such natural settings. I think Karen took these pictures herself, if I'm not wrong. I adore copyright paper. I don't know what this is, but it's so pretty, guys. These are stickers, yo. These are so pretty. Oh my god. So pretty. Guys, I am obsessed with like the newjeans album design. This time they collab with capcut. Only 10 things about it. So I'm gonna scan back to the It's a crime to be this pretty.
waistline.
He's standing over there. 대체 너도 뭐길래 내 시선을 한 번에 집중시키는 you are rare. Acting like you don't care, and the way you touch your hair, I feel like something's gonna happen to us tonight. 'Cause I got my eyes on you right now. You did feel a connection there with me. I got my eyes on you right now. 눈치 보지 말고 make the move. It's alright, babe. I feel dizzy, dizzy. 음악도 아냐, 술도 아냐. 너의 아우라야. 눈빛만 보면 알지. Wanna test that chemistry. 너의 우주선에 빨리 어디 오고 떠나지. Take me around your universe. And we'll dive in to shine your fireworks. No need to rehearse, baby. Come on, make it all, baby. 'Cause I got my eyes on you right now. You did feel a connection there with me. I got my eyes on you right now. 눈치 보지 말고 make the move. It's alright,
Little
babe.
bit of chemistry sparking between us right here, and it feels just like I've been waiting for you like 5 years.
That's the end of my album unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in my next video.
Tell me who you're running from.
Bye-bye.
game is on. 잘못하면 넌 gone. 이런 적 많진 않아도 놓치고 싶지 않아 널. 가고 싶댔지 nice spaceship. We can jet off from galaxy to galaxy. 시간의 흐름은 잊고 stars gon' twinkle. 어느새 뜨거워진 에너지. 너의 몸 예쁜 선과 너의 춤. It's your favorite music. I'm walking over to you. 알듯 말듯한 웃음. You're wanting me to make moves. For sure. Ain't nothing else to lose now. 너에게 말을 건 순간. So hey,